In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. So this should be a quick and easy process. So if you are using a gaming monitor or use a capture card with OBS on a computer or other devices, at this point, get a good phone and connect a controller to it, add a custom crosshair, and with an HDMI cable connected to a monitor TV. Older flagships don't cost a lot. And also be sure to check out their other poll, and you might be wanting to make the center dot easier to see, but just letting you know this too, so maybe don't turn the game in crosshair off if you do get a custom one because it's useful. So this was an easy and quick process video, and as always, thank you for watching.